क्वेश्चन आंसर, नो ऑब्जेक्टिव सर।
देखो रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो चुका है और अब हम लोग अपना क्लास शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। ओके, so before we should proceed, you can see the recording on your screen.
यस सर।
It is in recording, so
We can see
your each and every activity is under recording, and I will send you this recording.
Yes sir.
Am I audible? Answer it in chat mode.
रिकॉर्ड कर। यस सर।
ठीक है,
सर आपको आवाज नहीं आ रहा? यस सर।
आ रहा है?
यस सर। नो कट जा रहा है सर। कौन सर आपका आवाज आ रहा है सर? इसका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा शायद सर। आ रहा है सर, मेरे को भी टाइपिंग नहीं।
Now I am going to start my class once again. Good morning to all of you. Today we will solve the question answer of chapter 5. Okay, before we start the solving of question answer, and I will be also getting your feedback. What is your opinion over the question? You will be answering it in the chat mode. Okay, so should we start? Should we start? Okay. पहले बता चुके हैं कि हमारा कैमरा जो है ये रिकॉर्डिंग मोड में है, और ज़्यादा बदमाशी करोगे तो तुरंत भगा देंगे। यहाँ पे हम रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, तुमको पता चल जाएगा। हम रिकॉर्डिंग भेजेंगे तुम्हारे क्लास के ग्रुप में, ठीक है? I will send you this recording in your group. Okay. आवाज गया? Is it audible? Is my voice audible? Aryan Gupta 5E. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible? Now is my voice audible? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. So let's start. If you will disturb me, I will move you out. Now, we will do the question answer. Okay. So you will answer it in the chat mode. Okay. You see, A fill in the blank. A fill in the blank is a defect or abnormality found in the body. What will be its answer? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? What will be its answer? A defect. What will be? Disease. Okay. From Aryan, correct answer is from Aryan Bhadani, Avantika, Sorry Shamar. So correct answer will be disease. Okay. correct answer will be disease. Yes, all of you are giving the correct answer. Wait for 1 minute. Khushi Kumari, what are you doing? Khushi Kumari. Yes, you are right. Correct answer is disease. D. Correct answer is disease. Okay. Second, children in the age group of year often suffer from protein carbohydrate deficiency disease. 6 to 3 year. Some case 5 year also. Some case 5 year also. Okay. Correct answer has been given by Shivraj, Priyanshu Kumar, Shivang 5D, Priyanshu Kumar 5D. Okay. I hope you have understood it. Now minerals are present in, what will be it answer? Minerals are present in a small quantity. Okay, minerals are present in a small amount in our body, right? Correct answer has been given by Priyanshu Kumar 5D, Shivraj, Rishi Sinha, Saurya Kumar, Manya and Abhinav, Divya Bharti, Utsav, Astha Sinha, Priyanshu Kumar, Dimol you have written, Pratyush Raj, Shivang Kumar correct, Apurva, and all of you have given the correct answer. So the correct answer will be small. Next question number 4, the disease. Next, read the question number 4. The disease that causes enlargement of glands in the neck is known as, what it is called? Tell me. Correct answer I am getting from Shivraj. Sorry, Shamar. Shivang 5D, 5D, and Aryan Bhadani, Omkar, Utsav, Divya Bharti, Rishi Sinha, Shivang 5D. All of you are giving. All of you have given correct answer. Avantika, Priyanshu Kumar, and Shashwat Dubey, and Suryansh Kumar Verma, class 5F, Apurv Singh 5E. No, Apurv Singh, you are wrong. You have written very, it is wrong. Lakshmi Sharma 5E, your answer is correct. So the correct answer is goiter. Okay, correct answer is goiter. Disease, next question number 5. The disease that spread through water known as, spread through water, air and soil is known as, tell me. Disease that is spread through water, air and soil is known as, disease that, yes, all of you have answered correct. Correct given answer has been given by Aryan Bhadani, Divya Bharti, Shauri Samar, Shivank, Rishi Sinha, Apurv Singh, Priyanshu Kumar, Shivank, Aryan Bhadani, Priyanshu Kumar, Shivraj, Utsav, Priyanshu, and Rishi, Omkar, Natik, Shivank. All of you have given the correct answer. So the correct answer will be, communicable disease. So the correct answer will be communicable disease. So take it down. The correct answer will be communicable disease. Now come to the match the following part. Okay. Come to the match the following. Okay. You tell anemia. You can see on the screen match the following. Anemia will be matched with the iron. Shivank is very intelligent boy, I think. He is answering, he is giving answer of all the question. Utsav, no, you are wrong. And Shivraj, you are correct. Sorry, Shamar, you are also correct. Priyanshu, you are also correct. Divya Bharti is correct. All of you are correct. Omkar, Manya, all are giving correct answer. Priyanshu, Rishi, Raj, Sinha, all of you are giving. All of you have given answer, correct answer. And the correct answer in respect of this question is, I have answered it. Can you check it? No, Manya and Abhinav, you are wrong. Highway, you are wrong. Correct answer, I have marked it on the screen. Now the next question, question number 2. It is night blindness. So correct answer has been given by Manya, Harsh, Aryan Bhadani, Rishi Sinha, Priyanshu Kumar, Shivang 5D, Utsav, Yuvraj, Soumya, and Gyanshu. All of you have answered it correct. And the correct answer given by you regarding the night blindness, it is on the screen. It is on the screen. Okay, it is on the screen. I hope you have seen. Okay, you are very smart, Natik. Scurvy. Next is scurvy. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer of the scurvy will be correct answer. Yes, Raj. Yes, Raj. Utsav, Priyanshu, Harsh, Shaurya, Kumar Mayank, Shivank, Aryan Bhadani, Shivank, Rishi Sinha, Manya, Divya Bharti, Priyanshu Kumar. All of you have given the correct answer, and the correct answer is on the screen. It is vitamin C. Then is goiter. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of, yes, correct answer you are giving. Aryan Bhadani, Manya, Shaurya Shamar, Avantika, Priyanshu, Shivang, Priyanshu Kumar, all of you are giving correct answer. And the correct answer is on the screen. It is iodine. Next is berry. Okay, next is berry. You can see berry. The remaining left, berry, it will be vitamin B. Okay, I hope you all have answered it. Many of you have answered it. I'm saying it. It is good. Now I hope you have got it. Any problem to anybody? Now, should I clear the screen? Should I clear the screen? Should I clear the screen? Okay. I've cleared the screen. Now move to the next question. I will share you this screenshot, this recording in your group. Now, come to this part. Okay. See here. Take the correct option. Okay. Take the correct option. Hemoglobin content become less when person suffer from. What will be correct answer? What will be? Suryans, you are wrong. You are saying vitamin B. It is wrong. Okay. Suryans, you are wrong. And I'm getting correct answer from Utsav, Shaurya, Apurv, Shashwat, Shivang, Priyanshu, Rishi, and Shivang, Mayank, Harsh, all of you, Omkar, Ayush, and all of you are giving the correct answer. And the correct answer is anemia. You can see in the book, it has been ticked. Now the second question is, person having a swollen and bleeding gum might be suffering from. I am getting the All of you are typing the right answer. All of you, most of you are typing the right answer. Divya Bharti, Shashwat, Apurv, Utsav, Shivang. Shivang, the spelling of scurvy is wrong. Okay. Aniket, Suryansh, Avantika, and all of you are giving the correct answer, Omkar. And this correct the answer is a scurvy. You can see on the screen. Next, germs of common cold spread through. Very good. All of you have given the correct answer. Very good. Good to all of you. Good. Okay. Now next is the germs of common cold. It spread through. Germs of common cold spread through. Tell me. Germs of common cold spread through. And most of you have answered it correctly. Divya Bharti, Omkar. Improper growth of body, Priyanshu Kumar. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. And the correct answer is here, and it has been ticked here. Okay, next. Deficiency of protein and carbohydrate in diet of small children can lead to deficiency of protein and carbohydrate in the diet of small children can lead to, what will be correct answer? Can lead to, Priyanshu, you are wrong. Harsh, you are wrong. Suryansh, you are right. And Saswat, you are saying B is improper growth. It is correct. And I am answer all the question. Yes, Manya and Avinav, I can see you are answering it. Omkar, improper growth of body. Okay. So the correct answer is on the screen. You see it, improper growth of the body. Priyanshu Kumar, vitamin D, you are saying it wrong. Okay. I hope you have seen it. Should we move to the next question? And next question here is, let's move to the next question. The legs become bow shaped due to deficiency of, yes, you all have given the correct answer. I can see you all are giving the correct answer. It will be vitamin D. Correct? Now next come to the question answer part. State two main categories of disease. Okay, very good. I hope. And any problem to anybody? Any problem to anybody? Any problem to anybody? Where are you seeing? Manya and Abhishek, where are you seeing Manya? Where you are seeing? कहाँ ध्यान है? हमारा ध्यान तुम्हारे ऊपर है ना? हमारा ध्यान कहाँ है? तुम्हारे ऊपर है. तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है? इधर उधर है. So should we proceed to the next question? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Chalo. Now again we will move to the next section. Okay. Again now we will move to the next section. Right. Next question it is. You see the question. See the question. State two main categories of disease. State. Yes, your answer is correct. Sorry, Samar. I can see your answer is correct. I'm going to answer question number 1, this question. Okay. I'm going to answer it. Okay. See here. It is D, na? Question number D. Two main category of disease. Two main categories of diseases are. Two main categories of diseases are. First, it is. First, communicable disease. Second, non-communicable disease. Second, it is non-communicable disease. It is also called as infectious disease. Okay. Now, let's switch over to question number 2. Next, switch over to question number 2. Write two symptom of beriberi. Next, it is write two symptom of beriberi. It is D2. Under D2, D2, we will see two symptom of beriberi. It is PA, paralyzed body, paralyzed body. It should be written like this. Yes, your answer is correct. Two symptom of beriberi are. First one is paralyzed body, and second one is correct answer from Manya and Abhishek. Extreme weakness. Okay, and now come to the question number. Next question. Next question is name two diseases that are spread through the bite of mosquitoes. Okay, name two disease. Name two diseases that are spread by the bite of mosquitoes. Okay, come see here. Two diseases caused by the bite of mosquitoes are. बताओ, first will be malaria. Second will be dengue. Second will be dengue, and third will be malaria. Malaria. Okay, malaria. It is caused by the It is caused by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Any problem to anybody? And next question is, a girl find difficult to see in the dim light. A girl find it difficult to, I am reading this question. Okay, a girl find difficult to see dry scaly skin, name the disease she might be suffering from. Okay, so what would be the answer? What would be the answer? From which from deficiency of which vitamins girl is suffering from? Tell me. Deficiency of which vitamin? My question is changed now. D4. The girl is suffering from deficiency of vitamin A. The girl is suffering from deficiency of vitamin and deficiency of vitamin A, and she is suffering from which disease? Is suffering from which disease? Yes, Priyanshu Kumar, correct. Is suffering from which disease? Night blindness. Night blindness. Is suffering from night blindness. Okay. Now come to next question. Come to the next question. Why should we not allow the stagnant water around our home? Okay, why should not? It is question number D5. Why should not we allow the stagnant water around our home? Okay, we should not allow the stagnant water, right? Its answer will be D5. What will be its answer? We should not allow stagnant water around our house as ST. Stagnant water will become the breeding place of mosquitoes and may cause several disease like which disease mosquito can cause? Mosquito can cause which disease? Mosquito can cause which disease? Tell me. Dengue, malaria, okay. Dengue, and I hope have you taken it down, all the answers? Is it clear? Have you taken it down? Now if you have any problem, you can come on the screen and you can ask one by one. Okay, one by one you can ask. One by one.
सर बेरी बेरी कौन से मैम सर वो कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज है या डिफिशिएंसी?
क्या नाम? Be quiet, everybody. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
टाइपिंग करा दे
पहले mute yourself, everybody. Mute yourself, everybody. और जो लड़का सवाल पूछा है वही लड़का सामने सिर्फ बोलेगा. चलो बोलो.
सर बेरी बेरी कौन सा डिजीज में आता है सर, डिफिशियंसी या कम्युनिकेबल?
हाँ, सिर्फ अपूर्व कुमार बोलेगा। अपूर्व कुमार 5E का लड़का बोलेगा और कोई नहीं बोलेगा। अगर बोलेगा हम
सर
सबको भगा
अपूर्वा
देंगे।
सिंह।
सिर्फ अपूर्व कुमार बोलेगा।
सर प्लीज गिव मी।
ओके, म्यूट हम सबको कर देते हैं, रुक जाओ। सबसे पहले अपूर्व कुमार बोलेगा। अपूर्व कुमार, अपूर्व सिंह 5E का लड़का है। हाँ, 5E का लड़का है। चलो अपूर्व सिंह, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर
बोलो।
बेरी बेरी कम्युनिकेबल, सर बेरी बेरी कम्युनिकेबल है या डिफिशियंसी डिजीज है सर?
ये बताओ कि कम्युनिकेबल डिफिशियंसी डिजीज कौन सा डिजीज को कहते हैं?
यस सर।
डिफिशियंसी डिजीज किसे कहते हैं बताओ?
सर डिफिशियंसी डिजीज उसे कहते हैं जो सर एक दूसरे से नहीं फैलता है सर, जो जैसे कि सर जो फैल नहीं सकता सर, वो डिजीज उसको कहते
जो
हैं सर।
किसी न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी से होता है, जो किसी न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी से होता है। तो
जी
बेरी
सर।
बेरी किस न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी से होता है?
बेरी बेरी सर, बेरी बेरी सर उस बेरी बेरी सर
विटामिन बी की
विटामिन
कमी से होता है,
डी।
इसलिए ये डिफिशियंसी डिजीज है। ठीक है, आई होप योर आंसर इज करेक्ट।
Yes,
नाउ
sir.
नेक्स्ट, रेज योर हैंड मान्या एंड अभिषेक। नाउ मान्या एंड अभिषेक विल आंसर। मान्या एंड अभिषेक, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। मान्या एंड अभिषेक, कम ऑन द स्क्रीन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
यस सर। सर हमको पूछना है सर, हम आपके पहले हम लोग की एक टीचर थे जो चैप्टर 5 का क्वेश्चन आंसर करा दिए, जो मेरे कॉपी में हो गया है, तो जो आप कराए वो फिर से बनाएंगे?
नहीं, मत बनाना। एक बार लिखवा दी हैं तो ठीक है। अब परसों कल से हम अगला चैप्टर पढ़ाएंगे, ये परसों से अगला चैप्टर पढ़ाएंगे। कल हम बड़ा वाला क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर देंगे। ठीक है, योर आंसर इज ओके। नेक्स्ट,
ओके सर।
शिवराज। हु इज शिवराज? शिवराज, वेट शिवराज, कम ऑन द स्क्रीन। शिवराज, कम ऑन द स्क्रीन।
चुपचाप रहो।
शिवराज, तुम्हारी तरफ से आवाज आ रही है, बोलो। शिवराज
सर
बोलो।
मुझे कुछ पूछना है सर। सर क्वेश्चन 5 हम नहीं बना पाए।
क्वेश्चन 5 क्या है बताओ?
सर
क्या है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5?
why should we not always